Good cars can get you from point A to point B. Great cars can get you in trouble. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Daynator channel. You guys may know my twin brother Bill, aka Thrill Billy, who's been on the channel before. He and I are working together to bring you this new series to the Daynator channel, and it's called the Project Poorvette series. Bill just recently purchased this project car and asked me if I'd be interested in sharing it with my viewers, and I thought that'd be a great idea because it's a really neat, iconic American muscle car that I think you guys will enjoy watching. So without further ado, Thrill Billy's Project Poorvette. Everybody, just got off of work. Gonna meet up with a friend of mine when I get home. Gonna hop in his truck, drive to go pick up a car. It's a car I've kind of been wanting for a while. It needs some work, which I'm not a stranger to. So it should be a fun opportunity. Praise the Lord, I got a good price on this, I think. Why don't you come along for the ride? Hopefully we'll have a good time and be able to secure the car onto the trailer and kind of get it safely home and enjoy a new project. So can't wait to show it off to you guys. There she is. I'll let it run and let it idle for a little bit, see if I can calm down.
That's good.
There she is. What do you think?
I like it.
Pretty cool, huh?
dad's got electric motor in there. First Corvette with electric and gas.
This is my new project car that I got. It's a 1985 Chevrolet Corvette. Never had a Chevy before. This is my first Chevy. I've had plenty of GM vehicles. I've had Buick, plenty of Pontiac Firebirds, and some Ford trucks and things, Explorers and whatnot. So thanks to my friend Jeff for helping me load it up and get it home. And God bless that man for helping me out. This particular car does work, does run. It doesn't run very well. This is the second vehicle I've ever owned with a V8 in it. The first V8 I got was a 1981 Trans Am. Had a 301 V8. Well, it wasn't very good, very fast, but it sounded really good. As far as this car is concerned, it's got its warts. It's pretty ugly in some places. Needs a lot of work in other places, cosmetically. But I'm praying that mechanically this thing is in good shape. I just gotta figure out why it's not idling very well. I've got some ideas. One of the first things it's gonna need is some new tires. Previous owners had some fun, I guess, over the years with these tires. These are almost bald. Passenger side is about done. It's got some primer spots on it. Looks like a chunk out of there. Guy I bought it from was a pretty cool dude. He bought it to get it running nice and flip it. He ran into some health problems, so he's not able to work on it. I've been eyeballing this car for about 3 months. I don't know how long it's been sitting before that. About 3 months ago on Facebook Marketplace, I saw the car. Stopped by and looked at it, met the guy. Said he got it running, but it still needs some work. It's got a problem idling right now. Really wants to die when you let off the gas, so you got to kind of keep the gas going. He put new fuel injectors in it and said there's a new fuel pump in it, so I don't know. You kind of have to take their word for it, try to figure out what's going on with this thing. It's not in terrible shape. The interior is actually pretty decent for the age. It's got a few problems here and there, some plastic pieces that are broken, but that's pretty typical for General Motors vehicles. Seats are in really good shape. I've seen some other C4s with their seats are pretty shredded, sliced and diced. A pretty decent crack there on the door panel. But it's got good bones, I think. I'm not too worried about the cosmetic right now. I actually kind of like the fact that's a little bit of a beater, because that means I can have some fun with it, not really worry too much about wrecking stuff. The slider mechanism doesn't want to move. This is all mechanical by wire and stuff. I'm gonna see what's binding up there. The radio does not turn on, so I gotta figure out if it's a fuse or what else is going on with it. Really love the digital dash on this thing. Car's reading currently 89,870 miles. Got some cracks here and there. Shifter boots dry rotted. I opened the back hatch earlier and the rear struts are shot. I'm gonna have to replace those rear struts. It does have a cargo shade, which is pretty nice. Got the car home last night and I had the door open. None of the lights, there weren't any lights come on. There's a light there. 2 buttons there are the electric door locks, but they don't work. Driver and the passenger side don't work. Power seat, oh, there's the mirrors. Power windows. Power windows work. They're incredibly slow. What really got me on this car was just really how clean the seats are and how the leather is on all of it. So pretty excited about that. I'm not a big fan of red interiors, but it's retro enough for me that it kind of grows on me. My wife absolutely hates the color of the interior. My favorite color is red. I just don't like red everywhere. Absolutely love the body style of the C4 Corvette, especially the pre-91. I like the concave tail on these cars. I don't really like the bubble tails on the back of these. I like the round tail lights, not necessarily the rectangular ones. Don't get me wrong, I still love all years of the C4 Corvette. This one really gets at me. I love the way this one looked. As a kid, I just remember a twin brother of mine, the Daninator, he and I both got these remote controlled C4 Corvettes when we were really little, and I think he had a silver one and I had a gold one, and I just remember being a kid and having that toy and just really loving the look of that car, and that really just kind of stuck with me, and I've really enjoyed the look of it over the years. My friend Jeff that helped me tow this thing home, he wants me to bring this in front of his house and do a burnout because these tires are shot. He wants me to send the tires off with a good salute and say bye-bye, adios. Stay tuned. I'll be trying to get some more information on this car about what going on with it. Been talking to some friends. Might be a fuel delivery issue, might be an ignition issue. Seems like it's kind of starving for some air, so I don't know if it's got a problem with the air fuel ratio or mixture or whatever. So I'm gonna try to be showing some videos documenting that. Guys, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have some fun together watching the car get back on the road again, have some fun with it. So appreciate you guys. God bless you. See y'all next time. Like a boss.